It is a pleasure to greet you and I welcome you to a new video. In this video we will discuss the following: what to do when it asks for time. Let's get started. How should we react to this situation? What should we answer if our partner asks us for time? Next, we will see step by step what to do when your partner asks for time. 1. Respect the decision. As we were seeing, if your partner asks you for time, it is because he does not want to be with you as a couple right now. No one can be forced into a relationship, so the decision must be respected. 2. Communicate our vision. If your partner does not want you as his partner, the relationship is over. You should tell him that if he prefers to be without you, you respect the decision, but that if you are no longer a couple, the relationship is over. 3. Take the break. Even though your partner verbalizes that it will only be a while, they really don't know. One person cannot wait for another to clear up. The relationship occurs when two people freely choose to be together. If your partner does not want to be with you in a relationship now, it is the same as saying it is temporarily or permanently. It is that he does not want to be with you as a couple, and it is something that you have to assume. Cut the contact. As we have seen in the section on the reasons why your partner asks you for time, it may happen that you are no longer his priority or that he no longer wants commitment. Therefore, it is possible that he does not want to remove you from his life. He may want to continue in contact with you, even seeing you, but without having a relationship or a commitment. In which case, unless you really want a friendship with this person, the most effective thing is to cut the contact. 5. Apply zero contact. Especially when the routine is not desired, the best strategy to start turning the page is zero contact, not having contact with the ex-partner, if physically, neither online, nor through mutual friends, nor objects. Therefore, applying zero contact means not meeting, not talking, eliminating from social networks, keeping objects that are in memory out of sight, not going to the places you used to visit, not asking your friends about him/her. Except that the breakup does not cause you suffering and you really want to maintain a friendship with your ex-partner. Go through the grieving process. From there, you will progress through the grieving process. It is normal that you feel first anger, then sadness, apathy, disappointment, emptiness, loneliness, and other unpleasant emotions. As we explained in the article on overcoming a heartbreak, it is normal to have intrusive thoughts and longings to recover the relationship. The grieving process after a breakup is often painful. The important thing is to allow yourself to feel bad, have patience and hope. 7. Allow yourself to feel what you feel. The healthiest thing is to accept what you feel in each moment, understand that it is part of the process and be patient. 8. Put the focus on the present. It is normal that you are surprised, that you ask yourself 1,000 questions, that it is difficult for you to understand what has happened. However, turning the facts around and crushing ourselves with unanswered questions leaves us anchored in the past, exhausts us, makes us suffer and is useless. Focus on the present, on getting to know yourself, on taking care of yourself, on learning from the situation and on building a new version of yourself that is wiser and more resilient. 9. Lean on your loved ones. Spending time with your friends and family will help you feel better. 10. Take care of yourself at all levels. In the moments in which we are most vulnerable is precisely when we must take care of ourselves the most. Eat healthy, sleep 8 hours and rest, practice physical exercise, feed your hobbies, socialize, enjoy your free time. And, above all, avoid the patches such as alcohol, junk food, drugs, unprotected sex, shopping, gambling, and other behaviors that anesthetize unpleasant emotions, but can trigger a much bigger problem down the road. I'm glad to tell you that you don't have to wander in the dark, hoping to get lucky. Take advantage of our experience and recover the person you love. Click on the description of this video and now access the following personalized guide. Subscribe and comment. A pleasure and thank you.